This drum build was a fun, easy, and inexpensive project. See the description below for all the cuts and supplies used. After cutting out the 3/4 inch plywood for the tops and the sides, I used my crosscut sled to cut out some quick rabbets. I used a piece of scrap plywood to line up the cut. Then I set the blade to 1/8 inch. I wanted a shallow rabbet so there would be more meat on the top, because there might be a man that enjoys a good cheeseburger every once in a while sitting on top of this thing. And then we sanded it smooth. Next, we used our precision circular cutter, also used for Kool-Aid, onto one side panel and cut out a sound hole using a Forstner bit and a jigsaw. Then it was time to glue and clamp it all together. Next, I attached the snare to a 3/4 inch piece of plywood and lined it up. You want to line up the snare to a 30-degree angle where it will hit the tapa, which is the face of the drum, about 3 inches below the top. There's lots of ways to attach a snare to the drum, but my son suggested pocket holes, which is probably one of the easiest methods. To add a little style, I popped an around-over bit into the router to round off the top and the bottom edges. We decided to make this a two-sided cajon. On the one side with the snare we used 1/8 inch plywood, and on the opposite side we used 1/4 inch plywood. I cut the tapas a little big and then used a flush trim router bit. And then we lined up where to pre-drill and attached both tapas using 3/4 inch screws. I decided to add a little extra support. This was my first time using the super glue trick, and it was super easy. I added some wood glue in the middles of each board, then put super glue on the ends of the boards, and I sprayed a little accelerant, and bada bing,